As you can see, today we're just doing a small connector trail from the clearing behind the cabin out to the first west side trail. It'll be easy access into the back part of the forest as opposed to having to go all the way around and come in from the driveway. The stuff on the ground, all dead wood, debris. I think if I was a little more proficient with the excavator, I'd just use it to get this stuff out of the way. But I'm just finding it's a lot easier just to jump out, hand bomb this stuff off to the side, and then that'll clear the pathway through here so I can grade this down as I go downhill towards that clearing. You know the old saying, sometimes you gotta crack a few eggs. Welcome back to GP Outdoors. Fast learning as I make my way through that as much as I don't want to take down any live trees, every once in a while you have to, because there's a lot of them out here. I certainly do my diligence or my best to find stuff that's dead standing, or when I look up at the canopy, you know, I know it's got no chance of surviving, you know, because it's, you know, 10 feet in the air and it's already bent sideways and hanging over. So that's kind of where I focus it. A few of them have been hardwood, which is a bit of a shame, but at the same time, it just means I'll be able to give Guy a little more firewood than he's expecting. Although this is day 3, it's actually day 4 for me. I didn't film yesterday because I need to get, you know, what I need to get done before I get this rental back, and I understand we have rain coming, and I'd rather make as much use of the time as I can. But I'll try to keep you guys with me for sure. 5 feet left of that connector trail. I'm right on the edge of the forest. Last couple of feet. And wouldn't you know it, I unearthed a wasp nest in the ground, and they're very angry. So what I've decided to do is come at it from the other side since I'm right at the end. Give them a few minutes to settle down. Had to leave my other camera over there. but I decided there was no way I was coming out of this cab. That's a heavy one. Oh, that's heavy. Folks might remember this is that stump I had on the burn pile. I dropped it over here back in the spring. Oh, she's rotting away here, isn't she? See if I'm able to grab it at all. So because of the ground wasps, I think it's best to end up the video today right here. I'm not going to take you back yet, but I think what I will do is when I give it a little time to settle down, I'll finish off this video and give you a run of what I've completed so far at the end of day 4, although it's day 3 video. I've still got a few hours of daylight left, so I've got to get going on the east side, but I'm pretty happy so far. I have the entire west side up, across to the northeast corner, and then I made a loop trail all the way across the northern border of the property and back down, and I have it connecting right to that first trail up the west side. And today we've now finished the main connector from the west side trail to the back of the clearing, where hopefully one day I'll have a garage. Minus the wasps. Thanks so much for sticking around today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like the channel, please click subscribe, hit the like button, and if you want to know when I'm posting videos, just click that little bell. Have a wonderful week. Please be kind. I'm going to head back in there in a little bit, see if I can get my camera and my tools. Have a wonderful weekend. We'll see you again right here on GP Outdoors. Cheers.